Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Marty, and thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I am doing a little bit of work in a spot between my house and the garage, because it's a two-step process of what I'm going to do here, and today I'm going to show you what improvement I'm going to do. Now, along this path, this whole area, before we turned it into garden, was part of the lawn, and as you know, the grass will creep over and it'll grow, and the roots always push over. I won't fine tune it until later, until this is all done. And so I spent last night on and off over a couple hours. I did 5-10 minutes each time, and I shoveled off a few wheelbarrows full of beautiful dirt that I've repurposed over into my new little beds. I have leveled out this spot. There's 2 bags here, so that's 4 layers. I have tucked it up here because we do have an ongoing project here, and this is just temporary, so I wanted to make sure that the weed barrier was up that high. So we don't have a lot of gravel left in this pile. We have another load coming because we have a few other projects that is on our summer list. So I'm going to work away at this. It's still nice and early. It's overcast today, and I'll do it in 5 to 10 minute increments. 5 minutes for gravel is pretty good for me. And then I'm going to go over, rake that out level. Now I've added in the next section, and that's as far as I'm going to go with this load of gravel. Oh good, my helper has arrived. It's about time. We're needing to beef up security around here. We've got a couple of these floating around that like to help out. Off the top and bottom of our wire fencing as well with the Econo 2x4s. Oh, it looks like a good spot to put this. The other helper has arrived. Well, that's a weird place that you left your lunch. Yeah, Buttercup takes her job very seriously. She naps right beside the babies almost every time. Well, look at this. The sun has popped out, and I've worked my way down to this last stretch. Almost done. This part of it anyways. Well, there you go. I got that last little section done. This is just the beginning of many steps that we're doing here. It's our wonky temporary fencing to keep out little 4-legged critters, and that's a whole other project that we're going to start working on. So it's amazing what 5 minutes at a time accomplishes in a tough area of the garden, which was that walkway. So I just come out in 5 to 10 minute increments, shoveled out stuff, dispersed it, brought in the gravel, dropped it in, and we'll finish off the edges. We have a plan for that. That also involves putting the fence in. So we didn't do it at the same time. And well, thank you everyone for stopping by. And if you've watched the video to the end, I really appreciate that. And hitting the like and subscribe, notifications, and sharing my videos puts it out there a little bit further reach in YouTube world, and I greatly appreciate that because it helps my channel grow. Yeah, so if you have any tips for sticking to your gardening and your little tasks, drop them down below in the comments, and I'd like to see them. And take care everyone. We'll see you next time.